What's up everybody? Today we find out if Fix-A-Flat works. Okay, so just so you know, this tire is very bad, so I'm not sure if this is going to work or not. Not only is it flat, but it's super old. This car, the lady that I bought it from said it's been sitting for like 15 years. So, I mean, there's a lot of cracks and stuff. So this might be a pretty good test for it. But let's see what happens here. Basically, you just screw it on to the nozzle and it's supposed to fill it up. Okay, so as you could see, just the can of Fix-A-Flat didn't inflate it, but I could tell that the stuff was going inside the tire. So I'm just gonna spin it around to get the fluid inside there moved around a bit, get it coated, and then we'll see what happens. All right, so the last time I aired this up, it was about a day later, it was flat again. So I'm gonna let this sit now, and then I'll come back and check it in about a day and see if there's still air in the tire and see if it looks like that Fix-A-Flat is helping anything. Okay, so it's actually been about 3 days. It's been raining and stuff, so I've just been too lazy to come out here. It does look like this has lost some air, but it still has a little bit of air, so that's surprising. So it looks like the Fix-A-Flat did help some. It didn't inflate the tire like I had hoped, but I'm not sure if I got the right size can or anything like that. But it does seem like it helped. So now I have used this stuff before on bike tires, you know, riding lawnmower tires and stuff, and it's worked pretty well. I don't think it's a bad idea to have a can in your car to use in case you got a flat. So it may not be bad to use this stuff in an emergency as a quick fix, but if you did, you know, use it to fix a tire, I would probably drive somewhere to a tire store of some kind and try to get, you know, a permanent fix for it. Hopefully this video was helpful. This car, as you can see, needs some work. I'm going to be doing some more videos on this car, so if you're interested in watching those, just subscribe to my channel.